The whole day, mate, I've been checking my phone. The entire day. I've been scrolling all around social media, thinking maybe we might announce a player, thinking maybe I'll see a report, with concrete links between us and whoever, mate, whoever. And you know what I saw instead? I saw Orlando Pirates announcing two more players on top of the squad they have. Yesterday, Sundowns announced two players. These are our peers. These are the teams we're supposed to be competing against. They are strengthening their squad, yeah, which are already better than ours, and we're just sitting there, folding our arms and having a look. Oh my word! Oh, but um, 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 our team is good enough. We don't need many players. We don't need more signings. Cool. Yeah. Let's see if Sibongiseni Mthethwa can carry us for the entire season. Let's see if you can do with Sibongiseni Mthethwa being your only defensive midfielder for the entire season. Let's see. Yeah. We will be there. We will be there. Let's see if Ntutu Shabalala will be able to perform game in, game out, because he's our only serious number 10. He's our only serious number 10. Gaston Sereno has been inconsistent ever since he joined Kaizer Chiefs. So, good luck. Yeah, let's see if a 20-year-old Mfundo Vilakazi can turn up week in, week out. Yeah, because he's our only left-footed winger. So let's see if he will be able to carry us the entire season. Yeah, let's see if Asanele Velabai will be able to carry us week in, week out. Because Pule Modi, mate, he's been far from it. Yeah, he's been far from it. Next season, definitely should be leaving. Tlodi Lilepo, this season hasn't been anywhere near what he was last season. Yeah, so we definitely need signings. Don't tell me we don't need signings. Yes, we can look at the defense and say, okay, we do have some players there. Although I think it's quantity over quality in our back line. Cool, it's fine. I can live with that. In the midfield, mate, we need a defensive midfield. We need an attacking midfield. Especially Ndlovu is not a number 10. Chabotele is not a number 10. Lewang Mabo is not a number 10. George Matlow shouldn't be in this team. Yeah, so we definitely need a number 10. We need a right winger. We need a left winger. Okay, maybe we can also look at our striker options and say, okay, I'm cool with that. I have no problem with our strikers. I think we have many strikers who gives us something different, so we shouldn't be signing any striker. But the midfield and wide definitely should be signing players there, mate. Definitely should be signing players. Ever since this transfer window opened, I've been moaning every day. I'm here complaining. When am I going to be happy? When am I going to come here and celebrate a signing, mate? When am I going to come here excited? Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.